Guys, today we're gonna go to different places of Baguio. But guys, we already went to Burnham Park and I totally forgot to video. But there it is, guys. And we're going to Mines View, I guess. Yeah, guys. So this is Burnham Park, but we're gonna go to Mines View. Guys, we were riding kasi and now we're gonna go to Mines View so I can vlog a bit. I'm sorry I forgot, guys. But we're gonna go to the casino.
Kuya, Mines View.
Mines View.
Sa Mines View po.
We'll go to Mines View now, guys.
Which one? 100. Oh, 12 pieces na. 100. Ito maganda. Ikaw, pili ka. Dali. Ito, cute. Basta 12 pieces. Okay, ate. Yan na. 3, 4, 5. Ito. 6. Ito. 7. 12 daw eh. Ay, dito, ito ba dito? Dito, magnet. Dito lang tayo sa kitchen.
Ganda.
Dali. Ito, may angel. Ilan na anak? Ito. 12 na to? 2. Bilangin mo anak.
Dreamcatcher.
May Dreamcatcher to maganda. Dreamcatcher.
Ito ganda.
Ganda.
Ilang? Count mo.
I-count mo. I-count mo din dyan. 12 lang sa Ada.
Magaling mo dito, anak.
Ayun kay Ada. Dito malagay. Ito maganda, oh. Diba? 10, 11, 12. O, ano eh. Palitan mo yung iba nito. Ito maganda to. Huwag na yan. May kapalit mo. Alin dyan? Ito? Ha? Ito. Gusto mo to? Ito. Ano yung bilangin mo to?
Bilang mo naman.
Hindi ka na lang. Daddy, dyan mo na lang lagay. Ay, andito na meron pala ako.
Guys, we're done.
Meron ako.
We just bought some keychains. 12 pieces. For 100.
Hindi natin nabili.
Sayang kaya.
We also bought strawberry taho in Burnham, guys. Sorry we weren't able to video that because I forgot, guys. Sorry. Yes, it's Pikachu. We saw Pikachu. Pasalubong parts. Wait, guys. I think this is hiking. I know it's not hiking. It's not hiking.
Pinapagod ka na.
Okay, guys. This one, wala pa tayong mga some plants. Walk namin hanggang sa down, man.
Tadaan.
Some strawberries, guys.
Pick one.
So yeah, guys, here is where we meet the horses.
Mali yata tayo. Baka exit to, Daddy.
Ha?
Exit yata. Mali. Nasukan natin. Oo. Hindi tayo nagbasa.
Ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo na. We got on the wrong exit. We have to repeat to go back there.
Malaki.
Ay, arin po dyan. 450 po. Select that berries na po yan.
Dapat sinama mo, yeah.
We did not buy that, guys, but I think it was quite expensive. So, guys, we're gonna see our first.